Do the sounds of your garage door wake up the neighbors? At Titan Garage Doors, Lincoln, Nebraska, we just helped a Bennet homeowner silence their noisy door with new nylon garage rollers. These rollers don't just block out noise. They're durable, low maintenance, and built to last. After replacing the worn-out steel rollers, the door worked like a dream. No more squeaks, no more bother. Don't put up with the hassle of a noisy door. Call us at 402-576-5771 today, and let's make your garage quiet and secure.